Now then, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're checking out these LED strips from LED Store. Okay, so previous videos on the channel we've done a decking installation. Really enjoyed doing that decking installation. We've covered off part 1, part 2. Currently this installation will feature in part 3 of that actual decking build, but there is a separate video, this video, on this LED installation. So these are LED strips for in the garden, so obviously there's a waterproof element to them. And this from the LED Store is a full kit, a massive kit. It's 2 meters high, so these are 2 meter strips that come pre-built inside this box. As you can see, it's absolutely massive. We won't be getting it out here in the actual studio, we'll be doing everything outside. So in the video I'll be showing the installation, I'll show off everything that comes as part of the kit, I'll show off the installation best I can in the garden, but essentially I'm building this lighting down our decking, so down a brand new planter I've built on the decking, and the strip underneath the decking as well, shining out into the garden, which will become obvious when we jump outside into the garden pretty soon. So the LED Store will provide everything you need for your LED installation, everything from the strips, the wires, the accessories, the actual power devices required. All you need to do is install this yourself or maybe a professional. I will be doing most of the installation myself. This will be plugged into an outdoor socket, so there's no actual wiring as such to do into an existing system. So we'll just be plugging this in, no professional installation will be required, but I'll be taking all precautions necessary within an outdoor installation, making sure we've got all the right seals in place, etc, as we go along. So there's not much more we can do inside. Let's get outside, have a look at what we get included in this massive box, and then we'll get this installed in the actual decking and hopefully show off this LED effect looking really smart soon outside on these dark wintry nights that are coming pretty soon. So I'll see you outside in a moment and we'll get building. Okay, so we're back inside now, obviously from outside from fitting the LED stripper down the actual planter. As you've seen, that step-by-step process, what I've gone through and what I've had to do to build the actual LED strip all the way down. Things went to plan. There were a couple of things I had problems with, which was the actual profile, the silver profile. Where I'd built the decking, there was some metal work in the way, so at points it's kind of a little bit raised, but that's not the problem of the actual profile or the LED strip, that's just the way I built the actual planter. But we got around that, it's nice and tight against the back of that decking, and hopefully you've seen some great footage of there, what the lighting looks like on an evening, looking great in that decking. Obviously at the moment we've not got many plants in there, but as you can imagine over the next couple of years, as we get plants in there and they grow, it's going to light those plants up really, really nicely. Really looking forward to what that does look like. We've also put it at the front of the decking as well, hopefully you saw that, down the front just to light up that kind of step area. We're taking it around one single corner. I was going to take it around further around the decking, but I think it just looks better just on that step area, kind of lighting out into the garden, but obviously lighting below the actual deck as well, looking great too. We do have the two separate systems, so I've got one for the planter, one for the step. That just means I can use those, obviously those two remote controls, and then I can control the planter and the step separately. The remote controls are really easy to use. You basically press the button on the actual controller and then the button on the actual remote control, and they kind of synchronize together. It took a couple of attempts, but I think it was just me being a bit stupid on the first one. Really easy to do, to connect up on the second attempt, no problems whatsoever. And that control works really well from inside, so I can stand in the conservatory, press the button, turn it on and off, and obviously use the dimmer effect as well to bring the actual light, dim the light right down or back up again where required, because it is actually a really bright light, so sometimes it might be a little bit too bright, you might just want to dim things down a little bit. So overall, that's really easy to do with a remote control too. As you can probably see from the video, I've also got some of my own wiring, so I've plugged it into an outdoor socket, so I've got it plugged in, and that's just a ring main I've got for the outdoor sockets that's separated. Obviously, you wouldn't necessarily always plug these into a plug. You might put them into a lighting ring, but it just seemed really easy for me to do, obviously just to do a plug, so I can unplug it if required, and or switch it off at the plug at least, so that's really easy to do, rather than having to do anything separate with the lighting. And then I run it under the decking as you saw, brought it down at an angle just below. Hopefully you saw the footage of that. I probably will run some footage over the top of this at the same time, but really impressed how that came out, nice and neat, and obviously the cabling tucked away underneath the decking, so I tucked it up away so they shouldn't get caught or maybe any rodent damage, anything like that, fingers crossed anyway. That's all cable clipped up off the floor to keep it up off the ground basically. We then use the different junction boxes as well, between those sections especially, between the sections of the actual planter, just to connect them up where required, and then using the Wago clips inside those junction boxes makes it super simple to connect them up. They were waterproof, the junction boxes, and I did put, as you may have seen, hopefully seen again on the video, I did put some clear sealant around any kind of things where water might ingress. It should be absolutely fine, but I just want to be safe rather than sorry. So overall, the overall package from LED Store, super, super good. The control, the power transformer, everything that comes with it, the profile. Obviously, I got those 2 meter kind of strips of profiling, which does make it a lot easier when you're doing longer strips. And you can just chop off a bit if it is a little bit too long, which is exactly what I've done. But the 2 meter profile's really, really good. The tape on the back of the actual LED strips as well is sticky back tape, which allows you to stick it inside the profile as you're running down any kind of profile that you're doing, which is great. And then obviously the diffuser, the light diffuser on the front of the actual LED strip keeps things secured in, but also diffuses the light. Really, really nice effect. Hopefully you'll agree with me on the actual planter itself. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, the LED strip part was actually a section of the decking I've been doing. It's also included in phase 3 of my video on my actual decking project. I will link to phase 1 and phase 2 of that as well. If you are interested, obviously check those videos out. I did do the full decking self-build myself. Looking really good, and we are really impressed with it. Kind of all we need to do really now, as you might have seen, is kind of wash it down, and we need to get some stain or oil on, or some more stain and more oil onto it. We'll probably run out a little bit of time now in terms of the winter coming, but yeah, it is looking really, really good. Hopefully you do agree. Okay, we're all done on this video now. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, or at least found it informative. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down. Let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about any element of the project, whether it's my decking, whether it's the LED installation, please do drop that in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY for more DIY projects, product reviews, tech reviews, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.